In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create isolated Python environments using the venv module. This will help you manage different projects efficiently by keeping their dependencies separate. Without isolated environments, you might face dependency conflicts between projects. This can lead to versioning issues and make your development process more complicated. The venv module in Python allows you to create virtual environments easily. You can create a new environment using the command python venv, replacing mynv with your desired environment name. Once created, you need to activate the environment to start using it. On Windows, you can do this by running mynv /scripts /activate in your command prompt, replacing mynv with your environment name. Inside your virtual environment, you can manage packages using pip. Make sure to install packages only after activating the environment to keep them isolated from the global Python installation. In summary, creating isolated Python environments using the venv module is a straightforward process that helps in efficient project management. Remember to activate the environment before installing packages and deactivate it when you're done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.